Y'all, when I tell you this trip was a dream come true, I mean it. Come with me on a tour of my hotel in Joburg, South Africa, where I celebrated my birthday. This is what it looked like driving from the airport to the hotel, which I believe was around 30 minutes. We touched down in Joburg a few hours before check-in, so we had to wait to go to our room, and I was so tired at this time, so I was nodding off in the lobby. Y'all, it was torture. Here are some reviews of the hotel so you don't have to search for them yourself. Overall, the reviews were very positive. The few negative reviews I couldn't relate to because I had the exact opposite experience. I booked the Sandton Sun Superior double room. Check-in was at 2 p.m., checkout was at 11 a.m. Breakfast was included in the final price. This is what the room looked like. I did bring an adapter plug to charge my electronics, but I was pleasantly surprised to find USB outlets at the hotel, so I didn't even need to use what I brought. And then this is just a cool mood light setting. The hotel provided toiletries, a robe as you can see here, shower caps, and all those other necessities. Definitely use the safe to keep your valuables and travel documents in it when you leave the room. Over here is the mini bar with a tea and a coffee maker, and at this hotel they left me little chocolates every time they cleaned the room, and they would leave it on the shelf right above the coffee maker, so I really looked forward to that. And I did order room service at one point as well. Moving on, here's the seating room, and there was a flat screen TV with cable channels. Here's a desk, and FYI, the walls are soundproof. The bathroom was absolutely beautiful. It had a walk-in shower, a tub, and great lighting. Like I said, they had everything: shower caps, soap, shampoo, lotion, everything you need. Lastly, you know I have to show you the view. So here it is, and right over here in the corner is where the pool is located. And there's also a restaurant out there so you can eat and drink by the poolside. And this chicken wrap and these fries were the bomb.com. I don't know what seasoning they used on the fries, but they were great. When I was there, the pool was freezing. I could only dip my toe in there. And let's just take a moment to appreciate the sunset view. Oh my goodness. What I find really convenient about this hotel is it's linked to the Sandton City shopping mall as well as Mandela Square. So there's many shops and restaurants and views and things to do. Here's my view from breakfast, where you can see all of the levels where the rooms are located. And then here's the opposite view from my room level looking down at the breakfast area. Although I didn't go to the spa at the hotel, here's a sneak peek of what the entrance looks like. Lastly, here's the main lobby where check-in was, and everything was so beautiful. The staff was great, and I really enjoyed my stay. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found it informative, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.